Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to go on to the brighter side of the health. Many of us experience chronic pain these days, and one of the biggest reasons for that is the stress that our body goes through every day. Now this stress is, even though it's emotional or mental, has an impact on your physical body. So your muscles are in state of constant stress. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate you a simple and easy stress relief exercises which will help you to get instant relief or relaxation from your tensed muscle. So without wasting any due time, let's get started. So the method that I'm going to show you today is called as Jacobson's relaxation technique, which means this method focuses on relaxing your muscles. Here we are going to tense the muscle and then relax them. So this will give you an awareness of what is the difference between a tensed muscle and relaxed muscle. So let's get started by the facial muscles itself. But mind you, these exercises are not for a facial paralysis or Bell's palsy patient. So please don't do if you are suffering from facial paralysis. Let's begin. First we'll tense the forehead muscle and close the eyes tensely. Hold for 5 counts and then relax. Feel the relaxation after contracting the muscle tightly. Voluntarily relax these muscles. Relax, 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 relax. Now you're going to clench your teeth and then going to relax. Clench. Feel the tension and now relax. Relax completely. Now you're going to raise the shoulders, tense the shoulders. Now slowly relax and feel the relaxation as you get out of that tense position. Always keep your eyes closed when you're feeling that relaxation, as it helps you to focus and increase your awareness. Now you're going to tuck your chin and feel relaxation. Again, keep your eyes closed to feel and get the awareness of your muscles relaxing. Now, let's shrug the shoulders backward. Tense your shoulders. And then slowly relax. Relax completely. Now, you're going to tense your elbow and shoulder muscles. So you're going to make a fist, tighten your fist, hold, and then relax. Let go, let go, let go. Same way, you're going to make a fist and tighten your wrist muscles. Feel the tension, feel the tension, and then relax. Same thing we will do for your spine. Tense your spine and then relax, let go. Again tense. And let go. Now, to work on your leg muscles, keep a pillow between your legs. Press your pillows tightly and then relax. Press, relax. When you relax, feel the relaxation. Press, relax. You can again do this for 5 to 10 repetitions. Now, after you've done this, you're going to straighten your knee. Just keep your legs down. Raise your leg. Feel the tension in your knees. Hold for some time. And then come back. Again. Again. And relax. Now after this, you're going to tighten your toes. Feel the tension and relax. Again, tighten it. Feel the tension and relax. Again, tighten it. Feel the tension and relax. Once you have done all of these, as I said, you can do all of these repetition 5 to 10 times to increase the awareness of the muscle contraction and relaxation. Once you have done this, you can do a deep breathing exercise. So keep one hand on your tummy, breathe in. So when you breathe in, the tummy goes out. When you breathe out, the tummy goes in. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. In, out. In, and relax. So friends, this was a simple relaxation technique. The idea behind doing this technique is to increase your awareness about how contracted muscles feel like and how relaxation feel like. Over a period of time, we somehow forget what is the normal state, normal alignment state, a relaxed state of our body, because the altered posture becomes our new habit. So the idea is to break those habits, and that first starts with your awareness. So I hope through this video, I was able to give you an understanding of that. Make sure to watch these videos and do them along. Also, I would like to tell you here that we are changing our patterns. We are coming up with podcast and detailed videos on every Mondays, and on Fridays we will come up with informative videos and exercise-based videos and educational videos as always. Our videos would be more about chronic pain, neuromuscular disorders like facial paralysis, vertigo, stroke, etc. At the same time, we'll also make videos on children's health, specifically people or children suffering from cerebral palsy, autism, ADHD, etc. So I hope you found value in following HealthQ channel. And if yes, make sure to subscribe as well. On that note, I'll end this video here and see you in another video. Thank you.